morning, everybody. I'm Joyce from Tanzania, and I'm very happy to stand before you. During my travel or hitchhiking thing from around Denmark, I've seen a lot of things to share with you, but one thing which I would like to share with you this morning is about the way of separating waste materials. Like, you might find that there in a place there are different bins for disposing waste. So there are one for paper or glasses or things like that. So I've been impressed to see that people are just disposing their things there in different things. So it's easy when it comes for the time of the recycling. It's easy because it reduces cost. Because, for example, from where I come from, Tanzania, you just find one bin for disposing all of the things. You just dispose anything like papers or glasses just in one bin. So it's even difficult for the time of recycling. They just take those waste materials to a place, they just burn them, and that will be the end of the story. So it's like, even here in Denmark, it's easy to recycle them, and also it reduces cost of producing other new ones. So I think this is a good idea that I've seen here in Denmark. Also, I'll bring back to my country so that can learn from that. I think it's easy to preserve the environment and to keep it clean. Also, the other thing, in addition to that people are all aware of disposing things. They don't think only for themselves. They just think they think for the others. For example, also in my country, people can just take, for example, a bottle of drinking water. After drinking water, you just throw anywhere and think that somebody will come and pick it because there are workers that are responsible to pick up the things. That's not unfair, because we just think of ourselves and we don't think of others. So that's the good idea to have different things for disposing things. I think that is the main message that I will bring back to my country. Thank you.